Hey everyone! Welcome back to 3Gen Tech Geese. In this quick and beginner-friendly video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Supabase account and set up your very first database table, all in just a few easy steps. Supabase is a powerful open-source alternative to Firebase. It gives you a full backend instantly, with PostgreSQL, authentication, real-time data, and auto-generated APIs. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head to supabase.com. Click on Start Your Project. You can log in using your GitHub account or with your email. Once you're logged in, click New Project. Now, give your project a name, choose a strong password for your database, and select your preferred region. Finally, click Create New Project. Supabase will take a few seconds to spin up your backend server. Once your project is ready, go to the Table Editor section from the sidebar. Click New Table, and let's start creating our first table. Let's name it Students. Now, add the following columns. ID. Set it as an integer. Make it the primary key, and enable auto-increment. Name. Choose text. Email. Again, use text. Create it. Select timestamp and set the default to now. Once you've added these fields, click Save. And just like that, your table is ready. You can now insert sample data directly from the table view. No code needed. Supabase also automatically generates RESTful and GraphQL APIs for every table you create. This means you can connect your app to your database with just a few lines of code. And that's it. You've now created a full database table with Supabase in just a few minutes. Supabase is super developer-friendly and perfect for both beginners and pros. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3Gen Tech Geese for more short, simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.